Claire. Poop. I don't know why she thinks that's funny. Today is Friday, June, is it the 4th already? Yeah, Friday, June 4th. We just had formula and we had sweet potatoes and applesauce. And Claire was working on a package for Mama. And when I said, get those poopies out, she started laughing. Poop. Get that poop out. Oh, she's trying so hard. Can you get that poop out? That is a funny word, isn't it? Get those poopies out. Poop. Push that poop out. Yeah, push that poop out. Poop. Poop. Must be the way I'm saying it. Poop. Poop. Oh, poop. Poop. She's so tired. She's so tired. She took a really short nap today. Poop. Watch that be her first word. Not Dada, not Mama, but poop. Poop. Can you say poop? Poop. Poopies. Okay, Claire, you keep working on that package for Mama. Poop. Poopy. Let's see. Poops. Hi, Pooperdoos. Poop. She is one tired little girl. She's one tired little girl. Poop. 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 Yeah, cutie. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, poopies. Poopies. Okay, bye-bye.